Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome back to the Secret Slob channel and 21 days to a clean home. We are on day number 14 today and we're finishing up the second week of this challenge, which is all about getting organized and setting up our systems. So today I'm adding in a new organization system that is so popular these days. If you need any inspiration at all, there are millions of YouTube videos and Instagram accounts. It's all about meal planning. So if you're new to meal planning, it can seem a little bit overwhelming, but trust me, it doesn't have to be, and I have a really super easy way to get started. So I learned this trick from my friend Diane in Denmark. You can check out her channel, I'll link to it here, and she helped me get started with meal planning by just saying every night when you have dinner, write down on the calendar what you had, and then at the end of the month, you'll have 30 meals right there that you already know how to make. So that's a really good place to get started. So I started there, but eventually what I came up with was a whole list, and this is my original list of all the meals that are kind of our staples. So there's like probably 24 here. I didn't count, but there are things that I can make in a pinch. They're not fancy, they don't require any kind of special ingredients, they're just super simple. So the first step to make meal planning easier is get a list of meals that you know how to make. The second step is to go into your fridge and freezer and see what you have, and if you have any of the ingredients for any of the meals you know how to make. If you do, perfect. We can add those to our list for the week, and then we can kind of build from there and also build a shopping list. And then of course the third thing is building out the shopping list to fill out the meal plan so that you have everything you need to execute 7 dinners over the week. So let's get started. I always write this on my weekly cleaning schedule in the bottom under meal plan, and you'll notice it doesn't say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because I like to just put 7 meals that I can make and that I have the ingredients for, but you know, life can change and maybe you don't make those things, but at least you know they're there. So you're never getting to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and saying, what am I gonna make? You can just check out your list, you know you've got the stuff to make those meals, and you can kind of go from there. So I keep my meal planning really simple. That being said, you can level up this organizational system in so many ways. I mentioned it at the beginning, but there are so many amazing YouTube channels and Instagram channels that have so much inspiration for meal planning. Seriously, you could fall down a rabbit hole for a week. But there's so many ways to do this. I just like to keep it super simple and super flexible because my life just tends to change on a dime. I also want to add one other thing. I always leave one day for leftovers because we always have a day where we have to eat leftovers, and I always add a day for takeout because it's inevitably going to happen, and also it just means I don't have to think of one extra meal. So technically, I only have to come up with 5 meals to make my meal plan for the week. And that's it. Super simple, right? So right now, take out a piece of paper and write down as many meals that you can think of that you know how to make, that are fairly simple and that you generally will have most of the ingredients for. Then pick out 5 or 6 if you don't want to do takeout that you think you want to have this week. Next, head over to your fridge, see what ingredients you have, see what you can use to make some of those meals, and then create a shopping list to fill out the rest of it. If you don't even eat one meal off your meal plan, that's okay. It's just there to help you and give you some ideas when you're in a time crunch. So I hope you found this one helpful. I hope you give meal planning a try in any capacity. Let me know in the comments what you use for a meal planning system, because I know so many people are inspired reading the comments, including me, and we're always looking for new ideas for meals. That's it for day number 14. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
If you want to dive deeper into this challenge, head to my website, www.thesecretslob.com, and pick up the 21 Days to a Clean Home workbook. It breaks down the challenge day by day and helps guide you as you set up systems that work for you.